Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to find the volume of a cone and a sphere and where those come from. So the first thing I want you to notice with the cone is that its base is the same size circle as the base of the cylinder, and that its height is also equivalent to the height of the cylinder. So first I'm going to fill up the cone, and then I'm going to dump that liquid from the cone into the cylinder. You'll notice that it doesn't fill up the cylinder. So what we want to see is how many of these cones is it going to take to fill up the cylinder. So I'm going to fill it up again. Pour that into the cylinder. You'll see it's still not quite full, so I'm going to try it again. Fill it up. And then pour it in there one more time. So you'll see that it took 3 of the cones to fill in the cylinder. So therefore, if you think about the volume formula of a cylinder, which is pi r squared, the area of the base, times the height, the volume of the cone is very similar, except since it takes 3 of these to fill up that, it would be 1/3 pi r squared h. Alright, so let's empty out the cylinder. Now we're going to discover about the volume of a sphere. So again, I'm going to fill in the cone. And I'm going to dump the cone into the sphere. You'll see that half of the cone, or that a cone fills in half the sphere. I'll fill in one more cone. And we will dump that into the sphere again. Okay, you'll notice it took 2 cones to fill in the sphere. Also notice that comparing the cone and the sphere that they do have the same circular radius, and that the height of the cone, it's hard to tell in this visual, but the height of the cone is equivalent to the height of the sphere if it was laid out correctly. Okay, so now we're going to watch something else to discover how to get that formula then for the volume of a sphere.